Hello everyone. Today I will discuss about how to multiply numbers above and below 100. Multiplication of numbers below 100. Let us calculate 97 into 96. To multiply 97 by 96, we would use 100 as a reference number. The numbers 97 and 96 are below 100. Here 100 minus 3 is equal to 97 and 100 minus 4 is equal to 96. Here 97 is 3 less than 100 and 96 is 4 less than 100. Therefore, both the numbers 3 and 4 are written below 97 and 96. Since 97 and 96 are below 100, so here minus 3 is written below 97 and minus 4 written below 96 with negative signs. Subtract diagonally. This is 97 minus 4 gives 93, or 96 minus 3 gives 93, and multiply by reference number 100, which gives 9300. Next, multiply minus 3 by minus 4, we get plus 12, and add with 9300, we get 9312, that is 9312. Therefore, answer is 97 into 96 is equal to 9312. Similarly, we can calculate 94 into 96, which gives 9024. And 87 into 93 gives 8091. Multiplication of numbers above 100. Let us calculate 106 into 109. That is 106 multiplied by 109. To multiply 106 by 109, we would use 100 as a reference number. The numbers are above the reference number 100. Here 106 and 109 both are greater than 100. Hundred plus 6 gives 106. 100 plus 9 gives 109. Since 100 is less than 106 by 6 and 109 by 9, so we write plus 6 above 106 and plus 9 above 109. Here 106 is 6 more than 100, and 109 is 9 more than 100. Therefore, both the numbers 6 and 9 are written above 106 and 109 respectively with positive signs. Add diagonally, that is 106 plus 9 or 109 plus 6, which gives 115. And 115 is multiplied by reference number 100, which gives 11,500. Next, multiply 6 by 9. Here 6 into 9 gives 54. We get 54. And add with 11,500, which gives 11,500. We get 11,554. Therefore, answer is 106 into 109 is equal to 11,554. Similarly, we can calculate 105 into 104, which gives 109.20. Here 105 is 5 more than 100 and 104 is 4 more than 100. So, both can be written above 105 and 104, which gives this. Similarly, 107 into 111 gives 11877. Now we will discuss about multiplication of numbers above and below 100. So, let us calculate 97 into 105. Here 97 is below 100 and 125 is above 100. To multiply 97 by 125, we would use 100 as reference number. "97 is below the reference number 100. Here 107 minus 3 is equal to 97. So, we write minus 3 below 97. The number 125 is above the reference number 100. 100 plus 25 is equal to 125. So, we write 25 above 125. Here 100 is reference number, 97 less than 3 less than 100. So, minus 3 is written below 97. 125 is 25 more than 100. So, plus 25 is written above 125. Now, we calculate diagonally either 97 plus 25 or 125 minus 3, which gives 97 plus 25 is equal to 122, or 125 minus 3 is equal to 122. Multiply the reference number 100. So, we have 122 into reference number 100 is equal to 12,200. Next, multiply the numbers minus 3 and 25, which gives minus 75. Now subtract 75 from 12,200. We have 12,125. Therefore, our answer is 97 into 125. 97 into 125 is equal to 12,125. Similarly, we can calculate any one number below 100 and another number above 100 in this simple manner. So these are the methods how we can multiply numbers above and below 100. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like, share and comment. Please press the bell icon to get notifications.